It is natural.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And thank you for my gifts. Say thank you for my gifts. I'm trying to figure out what they are.
Somebody put some gift wrapping can't be torn. You need an engineering degree to get it off.
Oh, wow. What is it, Mama?
It's wipes.
Wipes and diapers? I think they're diapers.
It's a blanket.
Blanket?
It'll be done by the time it gets this on.
Let me see, let me see. What did you get?
Now?
These are diapers, Mama.
Play diapers.
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 Diapers. Okay, let's open the other one.
Open this one.
You need help?
My turn.
This is not only a light, but a privilege.
Mama, start right here. Look, start right here. Excuse me, you're blocking the camera. That's pretty paper. Hey, I think this one has a card.
But no baby.
Is there a baby in there? You got another baby, Gabby? Oh, she got a total of 3 babies. Our family keeps growing. Gabby, can you turn the other way so we can see? Do you need help?
My turn.
That's my baby. She's a very determined child. Let me see what you got.
I'll let you know.
Your baby's upside down. Baby's breached. Actually, it's in the right position, but let me see. Let me see. Oh my! Whoa!
Turn the box, Gabby.
Turn the box. Oh, you're done? She has one more gift to open, so, you know, we'll look at the baby later. Oh, wow, look at that baby.
This baby.
I think the baby has an outfit that you can find it.
Gabby, can you turn the other way? Turn the other way so I can see you in the camera. There. You need help?
My turn.
Okay, just checking. Can you?
That new baby.
You got a new baby?
Yeah. Let me open it.
You need help?
My turn.
All right. Say hi.
Hi.
You need help?
My turn.
Is it your turn? What is that?
Baby. No baby.
Another baby? No, I think
This is the take care of the baby.
Yeah. Toronto.
I see diapers everywhere.
Maybe you should stop pulling the road.
She was trying to give this to Emmy. Look this way, Mama. Let me
More
see.
diapers.
Oh wow, more
And
diapers.
it's baby food.
Look, Mama. Let's read the card. Turn this way. Turn this way.
Open it.
I'll open it here. Look. Look, Mama. Look over here. We're gonna read the card. Christmas is here. It's Pooh and Piglet. It says Merry Christmas. Poor Bear and Piglet. Let me read it. Are dropping by. Let me read it, Mama.
Pooh Bear.
The end.
I want to read it, Mama, so you can say thank you. Pooh Bear and Piglet are dropping by to bring you this wish and a very hi. We love you and miss you. From Titi Wanda, Nana, and Jose. Yay! Say thank you.
Thank you.
Look this way. Mama, look this way. I will. Chiquita, say,
Check this out.
yes, I will. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Bye.
Bye.